Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day. It is my 313th Floss Tube, and today is December 30th, 2025. 2 days, and it'll be a new year. We have, for the last time in this month, our December cup. And today, I am drinking orange spice tea by Bigelow, I believe. Yeah, because the day warranted it. And I'm wearing red because it's December. Yeah. Holy cow. It was a week. We had Christmas. We had Christmas Eve. We had stitches and starts and reviews and all the things. I mean, let's just get it all in 1 week. Well, we had 2 reviews and 3 starts, so that's pretty good for us, I'm telling you. So let's get to it. So, not in any particular order though. One of the starts that I made, I can find the picture, it's buried. This I call Flowers by the Sea, and it's a spring company, and it came from Biggest Craft. I did not get back to it. You'll see why here in a little bit. So we started in the upper right hand corner and just put that green in. Yeah, that I know, not too exciting, huh? See if I can get everything back in there. I hate to get things discombobulated. We also had a start from New Craft Day, and I did this on the December Saturday. My hair, it's going crazy today. It's so dry. I started this on Saturday for the December Saturday stitching, and let's see if I got it going the right way. It is this one. It's called Christmas Spirit. I did not put any, and it's not too big, any more into it other than that green. Yeah, loved it. It's nice and small and cozy and yeah, all the things. So I don't see why I can't keep it out and keep stitching on it little by little. And the last start, and last but not least of the starts, came from Big VIP Cross Stitch. I have to pull out the thread. This one is called Bless This Family. I haven't found a shorter thing for it. And we started on this side right up here in this little bouquet. I don't want to call it a bouquet. I think it's some kind of berry. So yeah, you'll see. So I was obsessed with this week. Let me get my extra thread out of the way that was left. So yeah, I did a little bit on this. I started up here because I had finished all this down to about, I don't know, I can't see it. It's kind of a palish color for that background, but I wanted to see what it looked like, and of course the back stitching is not into it. But I did finish this whole little branch of berries, if you will, and its leaves. So this is done, and then I still have part of that background maybe from here down. But I decided to go across instead of down this way. It was just easier to stitch. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. If you get a chance to get that kit, it's fabulous. Just fabulous. Very easy to stitch. There's not a bunch of confetti. I just picked 1 or 2 single threads of a color and tried to finish it within, you know, like a certain area, if you will. So yeah, I really, really love it. I gotta move some stuff there. So that was all the starts. I also stitched on this one. It came from GBFKE, another love of my life this month. I'm telling you. it's coming along fabulously. This is the rabbit in the library, and I've been working on the cushion. I at one point worked on some of this little basketry stuff and the rabbit. So, oh, I got more threads here. Hold please. I will show you how much I've gotten done. So, I about got the cushion whipped on this side, except for the bottom part. And I'm just kind of slowing down because there's a pink and an orange. So it's something I have to do during the day. So, yeah, I didn't get any more of this done. I've just been concentrating in these two areas right in here. And I think I put another shade of blue, like behind them in the window. So, yeah, I just absolutely love this. Yeah. Another one, very easy to stitch if you get a chance. Yeah, go for it. And trying to keep everything at bay over here. We're having an avalanche. We also worked on, for Christmas Day, I believe, yeah, is the Nativity. This is the worst picture ever, but I don't even know if this kit is still out there. But this is really a beautiful thing. And I didn't get back to it either. So we're still working on the manger, I would say. That's right there. So, yeah. And we were using this beautiful, I think it's a bluey green, kind of. It's more green than blue, if that makes sense, so it's not teal. But, yeah. So, we'll try to get back to it. And it's 11 count, so there's just no excuse not to stitch on it. And hold, please. Sorry. This always requires to have time to get it out. This one is the 18 hairpins that I got from AliExpress. I'm not sure on the date on any of it. But yeah, just gorgeous. We finished that red sash of hers. And as you can see, I did get some of the white thread out. I don't think it was 3865. I really don't. And it's not B5200. It's just another, I don't know that it's got a tan shade to it or a yellow shade or anything. I have nothing. Got nothing. It just looks like 3865. So yeah, that's all the further I got on that. So maybe I can get more of it done. And last but not least is Watertown Memory from Fan Cells. And it looks like that. I'll try to keep it so that it does not have a glare on it. Yeah. It's called Kitzilla is its other name. So, yep. Didn't get back to this one either. We're still working in the same area, but the porch is starting to take shape, which is good. I'd like to work on this little roof and that roof up above where you see that green. Yeah, because that all needs to get done. I love this kit. I love it. I don't care how long it's going to take me to stitch. Probably another lifetime or 4, you know. But yeah. But that, guys, is everything that I worked on. Now, I have no plans for this week other than Saturday. And Saturday we'll start January stitching. Saturday stitching. Sorry. Words are hard today, evidently. The theme for January will be winter. So, get out all your winter stuff. Doesn't have to be cross-stitched, just work on whatever you want, you know, but that's the theme for the month, so we'll have winter cross-stitches on Saturday and through the month of January. Hope I didn't say July. Oh, man. Telling you, yep, some days. Tuesday comes a little too fast. All right, one more look at this one, and next week we will have the bear, which is the January cup, so goodbye to Christmas for another year. But other than that, I may have some reviews or some starts. I got nothing. I don't plan that far ahead, so we'll see what happens. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.